My theme is to teach students about recursive sequences and how to write a sequence from a recursive formula. So this is my main homepage. It's just an introduction to what a recursive sequence is and what an arithmetic sequence is. It's got a couple pictures in here and just kind of a basic setup. There's not a whole lot of information on the homepage. Then if you click right here to the second page, it opens up using a recursive equation, and I put in another picture and then explained how step by step you would use a recursive equation. And then on the next page I talked about how you would write a recursive sequence, and I used a picture of a sequence and then explained through that step by step for students to use. And then the last page I embedded my Google Doc and had links put into my Google Doc for them to do practice problems, so you can click on those and open them that way. So that way they can not only do different practice problems but see other types of notes and other ways of reading the same information, so that hopefully they get the most out of the website. So it has different ways to practice for them and different steps on how to do different things. So that way hopefully they will understand how to write recursive sequences and how to use them.